Hello everyone, it's your Lux Queen Jackie and welcome to my channel. I put out videos once a week on lifestyle, luxury bags, luxury fashion, beauty, and makeup. So subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. In today's beauty and makeup mini, I am going to show you how with just one product you can brighten your eyes so you can look more awake, more alert, and just more beautiful. The product we're going to be using to do this is the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener. I'm going to show you how this little stick can make such a difference in making your eyes brighter and more beautiful. For this, I'm just gonna get a little bit closer to the camera so you can see my eyes better. Let me show you what this little baby can do. This eye brightener from Thrive Cosmetics costs $24 and I have it in two colors. I have it in this like champagne color called Stella. Well, let me show you what it looks like. And I also have it in like a little pinkish color called Mieko. Let me show you how that looks. Like a really pretty, very light pink. Today I'm going to use the Stella color, which is like the champagne color. I like to put it on the top of my eye, right under my eyebrow. See? And then just go like that with my finger. Put my hair back so you can see. And I also like to put it right here on the inside of my eye. See how that looks? Isn't that pretty? And it instantly brightens your eyes and makes you look more alert and just, I don't know, just brighter and better. You can also, if you want, you can put it on the bridge of your nose to brighten that, or use it as a little highlighter and put it on your cheeks. Again, these are from Thrive Cosmetics. They're $24 and I'm going to link them in the description below. Thank you for watching today's beauty and makeup mini. Click on the video that I'm going to put up here so that you can see how to get rid of those ugly dark circles under your eyes and you can look rested and beautiful. So subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video.